Istanbul, Turkey is a city with a rich history and culture, and it is a popular tourist destination. Here are 5 popular tourist destinations in Istanbul. The Hagia Sophia. It is a former Byzantine cathedral and Ottoman mosque, used to be a museum and now a mosque. It is considered one of the most important architectural and historical landmarks in Istanbul. The Blue Mosque. Also known as the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, it is an iconic Ottoman mosque known for its intricate tilework and 6 minarets. The Topkapi Palace. It was the primary residence of the Ottoman sultans for nearly 400 years. It is now a museum and is known for its ornate architecture and rich history. The Grand Bazaar. It is one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world, with over 60 streets and 4,000 shops. It is a popular destination for shopping, bargaining and people watching. The Bosphorus. It is a strait that separates Europe and Asia, and it is a popular destination for boat tours. Visitors can take a boat tour to see the beautiful waterfront palaces, mansions and bridges. These are just a few examples. Istanbul is full of historical and cultural attraction, such as many museums, parks, and landmarks that could be also considered as top tourist destinations. Next video will be about Cappadocia, land of horses and amazing balloon tour.